In our previous video, we checked how we can approve or disapprove reports in Clodify system. And in this video, I want to show you that not only admin user can approve and disapprove reports and even can see the reports. So I will show you that admin user. So this is the management reports page. Admin user can see all the reports. He has an access to all reports and all columns, to also to all actions like approve and disapprove. But we have also other users, for example, Fin user that can also see all reports, the same page. So Fin user can also see all the reports, all information, approve, disapprove reports. The same. Oh, you can see that we have role Fin, and Fin user cannot disapprove own report. Let's check. So Wes Johnson, yeah, we wanted to disapprove our own report and we cannot do this. Only admin can do this. But yes, Fin can see all the reports, approve and disapprove the reports of other users. Also, the sales user, where is sales? Sales has an access to reports of participants of their projects only. Like we can check if we can see any reports. Okay, so these are only reports, like you see it only 7, it was like 9 or more, because sales can see reports of his own projects. Yes, he can approve, disapprove, but not all projects. We can check like here the 7 from the 1st of August till today. Guess it was more than 7. Yes, there were 11. Okay, also we have the client user. Client also can see reports of his project. Like client has an access to all approved reports of participants of their projects only. They cannot like approve, disapprove. They cannot. They can only check the report. Like 8 of them, so they can see what task, how many hours, project, and the reporter and the date. And also we have PM user. PM user can also see the reports where he or she is actually the PM. So this is only one project, 5 reports, and this user PM can see the status, like it was approved or not. We can even check like it was magenta 2, and we can disapprove any of the reports of this project. Magento, disapprove. Okay, so we have one disapproved report, and we will check as PM if it was, what status does it have now. Okay, so it is unapproved. So the Gary Madison, the PM, he can check the reports of that project where he is actually the PM. And he cannot approve or disapprove reports, but he can check that this report was approved and this is unapproved. And also we have dev. We have dev user. He cannot even check any other reports except of his own in my account submit a report page. Can check. Yeah, he has 4 reports. All of them are approved. Like as any other user, we can, as dev, we can add reports, our own reports, edit and delete. And that is all. So we now know that admin and fin they have an access to all reports and all columns. Sales has an access to reports of participants of their projects only. Client has an access to all approved reports of participants of their projects only. Dev only has an access to own reports, and PM can see the reports of other users only of that projects where he or she actually PM.